Are you trying to decide between ConvertKit and GetResponse for your email marketing needs, especially if you're just starting out? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about both, so by the end, you'll know which one is really the best for beginners. But stay tuned, because I've got a recommendation at the end you won't want to miss. Let's start with ConvertKit. This one's a popular choice for many beginners, especially creators, bloggers, and small business owners. ConvertKit has a simple, clean interface that's easy to navigate. But here's the catch, it's a bit basic in terms of features for advanced users. For beginners, that's actually a good thing. It makes the learning curve much smaller. Next thing to consider is the pricing. ConvertKit's pricing model can be a bit tricky. You pay based on the number of subscribers you have, and while it starts fairly low, if your list grows, so do the costs. But for smaller lists, it's affordable and offers a decent free tier, which is great if you're just getting started. The third thing I want to highlight is ConvertKit's automation. It's good for beginners who want to set up simple workflows, like welcome emails or follow-up sequences. However, don't expect the complex, detailed automation options that some more advanced tools offer. Now, let's talk about GetResponse. GetResponse is another solid option, and it offers a lot more in terms of features. While it's also beginner-friendly, GetResponse is more suited for those who want to expand quickly and need more tools as they grow. The interface isn't as minimalist as ConvertKit's, but it's still intuitive enough for beginners. Next thing with GetResponse is the email design. The drag and drop editor is great, and it's much more customizable than ConvertKit's. If you want to create eye-catching emails that stand out, GetResponse gives you more freedom here. But with that flexibility comes a bit more complexity, so there's a steeper learning curve. The fourth thing I'll mention is GetResponse's automation features. While it's great for beginners, it also gives you more advanced options. You can create detailed workflows, run split tests, and even use web push notifications. If you're thinking about scaling up, GetResponse gives you more tools to grow your email marketing. But there's one thing to keep in mind, GetResponse's pricing. While it's also affordable for beginners, it's not as flexible as ConvertKit. As your list grows, the price can shoot up, and if you need access to all the features, you'll have to pay for higher tiers. So after comparing these two options, you might be wondering which one's actually better for beginners? Well, here's the thing, both are good, but they have their weaknesses. If you want simplicity and a clean interface with basic features, ConvertKit's your choice. But if you want to scale and grow with more tools at your disposal, GetResponse is the winner. However, after testing both of them, I've got a better recommendation that's perfect for beginners, especially if you want the best of both worlds, simplicity and advanced features. That's why I recommend trying out the service in the first link in the description. I've used it myself, and it offers the most comprehensive free trial, plus exclusive benefits for our viewers. Don't miss out, click that link, and take advantage of the best offer for beginners like you. Both ConvertKit and GetResponse are great, but if you're looking for an even better solution, check out the link below.